What is up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. Today, I want to talk about what absolute cell reference is within Excel and just explain it a little bit further. In my last video, I showed how to use the COUNTIF formula, and I briefly talked about making the range absolute. Basically, when you're making a range absolute, you're keeping it constant for a formula that's changing. So if we were looking at that COUNTIF formula again, and we selected that range, and we're going to make it absolute. So we don't want it to change, even though that the formula is slightly changing or the criteria is changing. We want to make the criteria the number of files again. We close the parenthesis and we copy this formula down. You see how in the first one, the range is selected, number of files is 0, but then number of files is moving to 1, but the range stays the same. That's basically what absolute cell reference is. It's just keeping that range of data the same. So for example, if we removed these dollar signs from this formula, you'll see the difference. So if we remove them and then we copy the formula down, now the first one's going to look fine, but once you get to the second one, you see how the range shifts down because it's moving down one row. It's not keeping it constant. And even if you looked at, 5 or 6, it's not even referencing the data you wanted to look up to. So that is why keeping that absolute cell reference is important when you want the data array to stay the same when the formula is changing. Thank you for watching.